Me, you, your dog, a ladybug, a penguin. We have more in common than you think. We all belong to the same biological system. We are animals. We are everywhere on this planet. In the sky, on the earth, in the water, in the heat of the tropics, in the polar cold. We are small like ants or giant like blue whales. Simple as sponge or complex as human beings. We can be hunted, hunters, or coexist peacefully. We can survive isolated, but usually prefer to live in groups. Groups that have learned to live around human beings like dogs or cats, which become our great pals. Or groups that stay far from us, but keep balance, ecosystems and food chains. We are animals, so much alike and so different. And we can get along perfectly because in nature, diversity means harmony. We can use our intelligence in favor of this harmony. Protecting the environment is an act of love for nature and for ourselves.